enough, Tommy. Everyone, quiet down right now.
Hey, everyone. Guess what happened to Jack in class?
Look at Jack's chair. Look!
Jack, Lily, eat fast. The bus comes in 10 minutes.
I love Fridays. We have art class today. I like Fridays too. No tests on Fridays.
Good luck at school, you two. Learn something new.
Bye, Dad. Love you. Race you to the classroom, Jack. You're on. Last one there is a rotten egg.
Good morning, class. Before art, I have a little surprise. Pop quiz.
Just one question. Jack, can you answer this one for the class?
Ow, no fair.
I don't know, Miss Carter.
Take your time, Jack. It's okay.
Come on, Jack. Everyone's waiting.
Everyone is looking at me. I can't think. I can't breathe. Ha! Look at Jack's chair. Look! What's so funny, Tommy?
That's enough, Tommy. Everyone, quiet down right now. Jack, come with me. It's all right. Accidents happen to everyone, even grown-ups.
I hope you had a good first day back, Jack. Yeah, it was great, Miss Carter.
Here, tie this around your waist. Nobody will even notice.
Thank you, Miss Carter.
Hey, everyone. Guess what happened to Jack in class?
Stop it, Tommy. That's not funny. That could happen to anyone, Hare, even you. I'm sorry I laughed at first. I didn't understand. It was the worst day of my life. Everyone gets scared sometimes, Jack. You didn't do anything wrong.
How was your day, kids?
Jack was really brave today, Mom.
You really think so?
Yes. You stayed calm, and you were honest with your teacher.
Jack, everybody has hard days. What matters is how you handle them.
And Lily, I'm proud of you for standing up for your brother. Thanks for helping me today, Lily. That's what family is for.
Everyone makes mistakes. Everyone gets scared sometimes.
True friends and family don't laugh at you. They stand beside you.
Hey, do you remember the pop quiz question Miss Carter asked Jack? Write your answer in the comments. See you in the next story.
Henry, slow down. Don't eat so fast.
Sorry, Mom.
This popcorn is so good. Ouch. Something is stuck between my teeth. What is it, Henry? I think it's a popcorn piece. It's stuck really deep.
I can fix this myself. I don't need help.
Henry, that doesn't look safe. Don't worry, Lily. I know what I'm doing.
A toothpick. Perfect. This will work.
Mom said toothpicks can hurt your gums. It's just this one time. It will be fine.
Ow. That really hurt.
Henry, your gum is bleeding a little.
It's okay. I'm okay. Let's just watch TV. Henry, are you feeling all right? You look pale.
I'm fine, Mom. Just a little tired.
Remember when you tried to fix the broken lamp yourself? Don't remind me. That was a disaster too. You always want to fix everything alone. Maybe you're right. My cheek hurts so much. Henry? Henry, what's wrong? Mom! Dad! Come quickly! Something is wrong with Henry!
Henry, what happened? Your cheek is so swollen. I
tried to remove something stuck in my tooth.
with a toothpick.
Henry, why didn't you tell us?
I didn't want you to worry. I thought I could fix it myself.
Hold on, Henry. We're going to the emergency dentist right now.
It hurts so much, Dad.
Stay calm, sweetheart. We're almost there.
Hello, Henry. Let's take a good look at your tooth.
I'm scared it's really bad.
You did the right thing coming here. Let me check carefully. I see. There's still a small piece stuck deep between your teeth, and your gum got hurt trying to remove it.
I made it so much worse, didn't I?
It's okay, Henry. Many kids try to fix this alone. Now we can help you properly. I'm going to clean this carefully and treat your gum. It won't hurt much longer.
Thank you for helping me.
That's my job. You were very brave.
My mouth feels so much better now.
I'm so glad you're okay, Henry.
Next time, please tell us right away.
I learned something important today.
What did you learn? When something feels wrong, I should tell an adult, not try to fix it myself.
That's exactly right, Henry. Small problems can become big problems if we hide them.
I promise I'll always ask for help next time.
We're proud of you for learning that lesson.
Good morning, sleepyheads. Are you ready for a big day?
Yes! Are we really going on the jungle trail today?
We are. A guide is taking us to see toucans and waterfalls.
Can we see monkeys too? I love monkeys.
You love everything, Lily. Even the ants on the porch.
Ants are cute. Don't be mean, Jack.
Okay. Eat your mango first, then we go.
Mom, can I bring my net? Maybe I'll catch a butterfly.
You can bring it, but only look. Don't catch anything, okay?
I want to bring my sun hat. It has flowers on it.
Perfect. Flowers for the flower girl.
Careful, Lily. Real flowers might have real bees. Jack, stop trying to scare me. I'm not scaring you. I'm just saying.
There's the trail sign. Rainforest Adventure Walk.
I can hear a waterfall already.
Look, a guide is waiting for us.
Hello, family. My name is Finn. I am your jungle guide today.
Nice to meet you, Finn. The kids are very excited.
Good. One important rule before we start. Never touch anything on the trail. Not rocks, not plants, not anything gold or shiny.
Just look with your eyes.
Not even pretty things?
Not even pretty things. The jungle can surprise you.
Don't worry, Lily. I'll watch you. I don't need watching. I'm not a baby.
Okay, little explorers. Follow me and stay on the path.
Look at that waterfall. It's beautiful.
Race you to the big tree, Lily. You always win. That's not fair.
Slow down, both of you. Stay on the path.
Look up there! A family of monkeys.
Oh, they're so cute. Hello, monkeys. One of them is looking right at me.
Wait! Wait! Everyone stop! I saw something move in the grass.
What? What? What was it? I think it was a snake.
Mark! Get the kids back!
Everyone, stay calm. Let me look.
Ha! It's okay. It was just a big green lizard. It's already gone. That's enough excitement for one trail, don't you think?
Phew. My heart is beating so fast. Sorry, I really thought it was a snake. Look, a golden rock in that tree. It's so shiny. Lily, remember what Finn said. Don't touch it. I'm not touching it. I'm just poking it a little.
Lily, wait! Step back right now!
What is that buzzing sound? Lily, that's not a rock. That's a beehive.
Everybody move! Move now!
Ow! 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 Something stung me.
Run toward the water. Follow Finn.
I can't run fast. My leg hurts.
I've got you. Hold my hand.
Almost there. Do not stop. Sarah, where's Lily?
Jack has her. Keep going.
Jack, don't let go.
I won't. I promise.
In the water, everyone. Bees don't like water.
They're gone. They're really gone? You're safe now, Lily. I promise.
Oh, my brave girl. Let me see your arm.
It stings so much, Mom.
Everyone breathe. We're okay. We're all okay. Let me clean these stings for you. This will help the pain.
Thank you, Finn. I'm sorry I didn't listen.
It's okay.
Now you know why we have that rule.
Why did the bees get so angry?
When something touches their home, bees think it's an attack. They protect their hive together.
So it wasn't really a rock's fault. It was Lily's poking.
Ha! Don't worry. Everyone learns this lesson once. Some things that look pretty can still be dangerous.
I will never touch a shiny rock again.
How do you feel now, sweetheart?
Much better. Jack saved me.
We saved each other. That's what family does.
Tomorrow, let's just watch the monkeys from far away.
And never touch a rock that buzzes.
Good idea. No touching anything.
Not even Jack's smelly shoes. I do now. Never touch anything shiny or gold. Tell us in the comments to Pang, what was Finn's first rule?